Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to create folder on iPhone. I'm going to show you two ways. The first way will be creating a folder on the home screen of our iPhone. So as we can see here, a folder with some of our apps. And the other way will be creating a folder, like a literal folder on our iPhone where we can store documents, files, etc. So let's start. Let's start with the first way of creating a folder on the home screen of our iPhone. In order to do that, press and hold on any of the icons on that screen until they start shaking, as you can see right now. Once they are shaking, you can press on any of the icons and move them around. So move them into another icon that you want to create a folder with. So as you can see right now, I just moved Gemini and ChatGPT into one folder. Now I can drag more files into it if I want to. And as you can see, now I have a folder with 3 apps. I can click up here and change the name of it, for example, to AI or anything else I want. And once we finish editing, we can simply click anywhere outside. And now we have a folder with our AI apps. So this is the first way. Now the second way of creating a folder would require us to go to the Files app on our iPhone. Once we get here, we need to click Browse in the right bottom corner, and then over here from the menu choose On My iPhone. So click on My iPhone, and then over here we have different folders that are currently on our iPhone. So simply press and hold anywhere on the white space until this menu shows up, and then press New Folder. As soon as you do this, new folder is created. So I'm gonna call it Test, and this is exactly how you can create folders on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments which of these ways were you looking for, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.